Hello children, good morning. Welcome to Mahila Samaja online digital classes. How are you all? Hope all are safe at home. So today I am here with the continuation part of our Karnataka Mysuru division. Karnataka State Board Class 6 Lesson 2 our Karnataka Mysuru division. So children, in this lesson, we will learn about agriculture and industries in Mysuru division and art, literature, music, folklore, theatre and dance of Mysuru division. So, in our previous classes, we have focused on the history of Mysuru division. Coming to the agriculture, we all know that agriculture is one of the important occupation of people in India. So, agriculture is the lifeline to our people. So, the district of Mysuru division are no exception of this reality. Now, let us have a look on the district and what they are famous for. So, children, this is very important. Make note of it. Mysuru. Mysuru is famous for silk. So, Mysuru is famous for silk saris. So, silk. Kodagu, Chikmagaluru and Hassan, it is famous for coffee plantations. Mandya is famous for sugar cane. Udupi, Dakshina Kannada is famous for cashew nuts, pepper, rubber and cardamom. Agriculture activities are not only confined to crop cultivation only. So, agriculture is not only confined to the cultivation of crops, but also they include dairying, poultry, sheep rearing and horticulture. So, they not only confined with the cultivation of crops, they also included dairying, poultry, sheep rearing and horticulture. Now let us see some of the major crops grown in this division. Paddy, ragi, maize and various pulses are the major crops of this division. Apart from this, tobacco, coffee, cashew nuts, potato, sugarcane, cotton, orange and coconut are the major commercial crops. So here you can find both the food crops as well as the commercial crops. So irrigation project, so which is very important. So irrigation projects that provide irrigation facilities to the district of this division are, so children, 4 irrigation projects provide irrigation facility to the districts of this division. So now let us see which are they. They are Krishnaraja Sagar, Harangi, Hemavati and Kabini irrigation projects. So, in order to facilitate better agricultural practices, various agricultural colleges and farms have been established. So, to make the betterment, that is improvisation in the agriculture, various agricultural colleges and farms have been established. The major industrial centers in this division are, now let us look into the industrial centers. Mysuru, Mangaluru, Hassan, Chikmagaluru, Mandya, Madikeri. So, major industrial centers are in Mysuru, Mangaluru, Hassan, Chikmagaluru, Mandya and Madikeri. The major industries of this division. Now let us see which are the major industries. Paramedical, coffee curing, food processing, fertilizer, petroleum, chocolate producing industries, that is Camco chocolate, sugar, cement manufacturing. So these are the major industries of this division. Though the number of major industries is less in this division, thousands of small scale and medium scale industries are active here. So here you can find more small scale and medium scale industries. Now let us look into the art, literature, music, folklore, theatre and dance. So children, as you all know that the Mysuru division is rich in art, literature, theatre and dance. That is why Mysuru is called as the land of art. So it is called as the land of art. The coastal districts are known for their Yakshagana. So here you can see the picture, Yakshagana. So it has achieved national and international recognition. Yakshagana is famous in the coastal district. The famous folk dances of this division are, children, observe the picture, Kamsale. It is very famous. It is one of the famous folk dance. Kamsale, Chaudi Kunita, Veeragase Kunita. So look at the picture, children. Veeragase Kunita, Chaudike Kunita. Patta Kunita, Nandi Kolu. So these are the famous folk dance. Now some of the unique rituals of this division are Huttari Habba. So Huttari Habba of Kodagu. Huttari Habba is celebrated Kodagu. And then Bhutaradhane and Kambada of coastal districts. So these are the famous. Art. Coming to the art. The Mysuru kingdom was always a patron of art, music and dance. Hence, Mysuru style of painting, dance and music evolved. So it has its own unique style of painting, dance and music. Rangayana. So Rangayana, which is in Mysuru, and it is founded by the government. So it is a theatre. It is a group theatre called Rangayana, which is in Mysuru, and it is founded by the government. So this repertory produces and enacts play throughout the year. So the branches of Rangayana have been established at various parts of the states. And also there is a big auditorium, Kala Mandira in Mysuru. You can look at the picture, children. This is the big auditorium. It is called as a Kala Mandir. The district of Mysuru division are also the places of many writers. So this is very important, children. Make a note here. Now we are going to study about the novelist, famous novelist who belong to this division. So look at the picture, R.K. Narayan. R.K. Narayan is a famous English novelist from Mysuru. Then Raja Rao Hassan is a famous English novelist. Shivaram Karant. So Shivaram Karant, you all may be knowing, right? Shivaram Karant, the Jnanapita Award recipient, is from Dakshina Kannada. K.S. Narasimha Swami, who enriched the Kannada lyrical poetry, is from Mysuru. And then some of the other writers who enriched the Kannada literary world are Koruru Ramaswamy Iyengar, Dr. S.L. Bhairappa. Look at the picture, children. Observe the picture. M. Gopala Krishna Adiga, B. M. Srikantayya, A.N. Murthy Rao, Devanuru Mahadeva, Akbar Ali, Sara Abubakar, Alanahalli Krishna, Purnachandra Tejasvi, Kodagina Gauramma, Tirumalamba, Triveni, Niranjana. These are the famous novelists who enriched the Kannada literary world. Now, let us look into some of the musical giants who are from this division. R.K. Srikantan, Veene Sheshanna, Pitilu Chaudayya, Veene Doreswamy Iyengar, Kadari Gopalanatha, and some of the other famous artists of this division are cartoonist R.K. Lakshman. So now you can see an illustration of his cartoon. This is the cartoon illustration by R.K. Lakshman. Muhammad Peer, the theatre artist. K.K. Hebbar, a noun painter. B.V. Karant, who enriched theatre and cinema. All these artists have contributed a lot to Kannada and the world culture. Some of the pre-modern writers who have enriched the cultural heritage of Kannada are Sanchi Honnamma, Ratnakaravarani, Singarayya. The contribution of scientists like Raja Ramanna and U.R. Rao is noteworthy here. You can observe the picture, children. Picture of Raja Ramanna and U.R. Rao. Devraj Aras, the harbinger of social justice in Karnataka, is from this division. So children, this is some of the main points, that is information about the agriculture and art literature of Mysuru division. So now coming to home assignment, I have asked you a simple question, children. Name some of the famous novelists of Mysuru division. So just now I have told you the names of the famous novelist. So you just write down the names of the famous novelist of Mysuru division. So children, let us meet in the next class with the continuation part of Mysuru division. So watch the video till end and do your home assignment. Hope you enjoyed today's session. Let us meet in the next class. Till then, have a great day. Thank you.